In this video, you'll see how to use AI coaches to clone yourself into an AI avatar chatbot that mentors clients, gets leads, closes sales, and more inside the chat using your unique knowledge and personality. Or clone anyone else, such as a public expert, to learn 24/7 from, asking them questions without paying thousands of dollars in consultation fees. Or clone a small business owner to help them grow their business 24/7 the way they want to in their own style and method, skyrocketing productivity and saving thousands of dollars on salaries and fees. Simply create an AI coach avatar from scratch or choose from already done for you AI coach experts you can use or rent out that have been pre-trained in popular niches. Then train your AI chatbot avatar on any customized knowledge by just entering links and pasting text, so it's not another ChatGPT AI chatbot clone. Edit the avatar image and personality and coaching style, making your AI avatar bot more gentle or direct, or more serious or lighthearted, for example. Then instruct your AI coach on what you want it to do, like capture leads, or sell products, book appointments and webinars, act as a support agent, or act as a coach in a membership. The options are limitless, and you can watch your agency clients' revenue skyrocket with their own personable AI companion that works 24/7 delivering customized information like an employee that underwent hours of onboarding training. Okay, so to get started, create a workspace for your business or a client's business and add a new AI coach to it to start generating revenue for your business. Click Create Coach and choose to create a custom AI avatar chatbot from scratch, or select from lots of already done for you AI coaches pre-trained in popular niches like weight loss, relationships, and more. Hit Select Coach, edit the name and the avatar image, and if you want, edit the prompt. There's already custom prompts written for done for you chat avatars, but if you're more advanced, you can instruct the AI chatbot avatar to act and behave exactly as you or your client needs. Then train your AI chatbot avatar on customized knowledge so it shares specific information about your business the way you need it to. Choose from videos, copy and paste content, upload text files, add Q&As, or give a website URL. The AI coach will learn from this content in minutes and use the information when chatting with leads and customers. Now it's time to customize the chat widget how you like. Edit the avatar picture, change the color of the widget, change aspects like the background color, AI avatar chatbot's name and the visitor's name, message background colors, fonts, and more so the branding fits with your company. Customize the welcome message a visitor will receive and default message if the AI chatbot avatar doesn't understand the visitor's query. Add default questions and answers to commonly asked questions this AI coach may receive on a regular basis if you want. Then customize the personality and coaching style. Instruct the AI chatbot avatar to respond to inquiries in a questioning coaching style instead of a straight advice style. Choose for their personality to be more gentle or more direct. Have shorter or longer answers. Have your AI coach challenge users like a fitness or bodybuilding trainer, or be more accepting like a therapist. Make them more serious or lighthearted so visitors feel like they're interacting with a real person, not some lifeless chatbot they see all the time everywhere else. Turn your AI avatar chatbot into a lead capture machine by enabling them to ask for and capture leads after a certain number of conversational messages have happened. Send leads to the autoresponder of your choice, and because prospects have been interacting with a lifelike person, they're far more likely to enter their best personal information. If you don't have an autoresponder, you can capture leads right from the dashboard and download them. Let your AI coach book appointments and consultations to close high-ticket clients fast and easy. Also instruct your AI coach to recommend and sell your clients' products from right in the chat as well, and accept payment with Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, and more integrated right inside the software. Turn your AI chatbot avatar into an expert support rep, a product sales representative, lead generation assistant, and more by just clicking a few buttons. Then finally, preview your AI coach and embed it anywhere you want as a pop-up or as an inline embed. You can view analytics, leads, stats, and more in just a click. And that's it. How incredibly easy was that? Anyone can create an expertly trained AI avatar chatbot regardless of technical know-how or experience now in seconds. Create an entire team of AI coaches for your own business that skyrockets sales and productivity. Clone an expert to learn from, or create AI coaches for a business and rent them out for a monthly retainer fee. AI Coaches isn't just another cool marketing tool, but a life-changing product equivalent to hiring a full team that's been through extensive onboarding training and are experts in their field already.